Welcome back to another video with teacher Satya, guys. Now in this video you guys will be learning on how to simplify exponents. Alright, now let's get to it. Alright guys, so first of all what we're going to do here is we are going to prime factorize 64. Alright, so 64, let's prime factorize 64. So we know that 64 can divide by 2, right, which will give us 32. Again divide by 2, which will give us 16. Divide by 2, which is going to give us 8. Divide by 2 again, which is going to give us 4. Divide by 2 again, which is going to give us 2. And divide by 2 again, which is going to give us 1. Now if you take a look at it, guys, there are totally 6 2's here, right? So I think it's a fair statement to say that 64 is equal to 2 to the power of 6, right guys? 64 is 2 to the power of 6. So now this 64, guys, we are going to write it as 2 to the power of 6. So what do we have here? 2 to the power of 6, and this is raised to the power of 5 over 6, right guys? Now this is same like a to the power of m to the power of n, right guys, where it is a to the power of m times n. So we are going to do the same thing here. So we have 2 to the power of 6 multiplied with 5 over 6, right guys? And in this case 6 and 6 can simplify itself, which will leave us with 2 to the power of 5. Now what is 2 to the power of 5? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to give us 32. All right, which is going to give us 32. Now let's go to one more question, guys. Now this might be a bit more complicated, but let us do it together. All right, let us do it together. Let's go ahead and prime factorize 128, right? So what do we have? 128 prime factorize divided by 2, right? 64. Now if you keep doing it, let's see what will we have. 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, right guys? And then 2, 2. And then 2 and 1. So we are going to keep going until we have 1, right guys? Now let's take a look at 2187 now. 2187. Now if you take a look at it, the sum of the digits add up to how much? 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. So if the sum of the digits are a multiple of 3, it can divide by 3, right? So we know that this can divide by 3. So divide this by 3, we get 729. Right, divide by 3 again, which will give us 243. Divide by 3 again, it will give us 81, right guys? 81. Divide by 3 again is 27. Divide by 3 again is 9. 3 and 3, and then 3 and 1, right guys? So we know that 2187 is also 3 to the power of 7. So let's write that down. So we see that 128 is equal to 2 to the power of 7, and 2187 is equal to 3 to the power of 7, right guys? Now we are going to substitute that right here. So what do we have here? 2 to the power of 7 over 3 to the power of 7, and all of this raised to the power of 3 over 7, right guys? Now similarly to last question, we are going to break the brackets now. So we have 2 to the power of 7 times 3 over 7 over 3 to the power of 7 times 3 over 7, right guys? And in this case 7 and 7 will simplify, 7 and 7 will also simplify. So we have 2 to the power of 3 over 3 to the power of 3, which is equal to 8 over 27, and that would be our final answer, boys and girls. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, do not forget to crush that like button and consider subscribing, guys, as that will help me a lot. All right, now until next time, guys, have a nice day.